Who would have imagined that a popular travel vlogger from Punjab with over 1 million subscribers would be at the center of an alleged espionage scandal involving Pakistan? Yes, I'm talking about Jasbir Singh, the man behind the YouTube channel Jaan Mahal. This story is no ordinary YouTube controversy. It's about national security, alleged terror links, and how social media platforms may be turning into dangerous tools for cross border intelligence operations. So, why exactly is Jasbir Singh and why has his name come under such serious scrutiny? Let's break it down. So, firstly, who is Jasbir Singh? Jasbir Singh Mahal is a resident of Mehlan village in Roopnagar, a city in Punjab. He is not just any content creator. He's been on YouTube since 2008. Yes, over 15 years, and in that time, he built a strong following with his channel, Jaan Mahal. His videos mostly focus on travel vlogs and daily life experiences, often highlighting Punjabi culture, tradition, and lifestyles. With 1.1 million subscribers and close to 3,000 videos uploaded, Jasbir had built a reputation as a friendly face who gave viewers a virtual tour of places from Jammu and Kashmir to Malaysia, Singapore, and even Pakistan. But behind the cheerful thumbnails and scenic travel vlogs, authorities say there is a far more troubling reality. But why was he arrested? On the surface, Jasbir Singh's channel looked like any other travel vlog. But the Punjab Police State Special Operations Cell in Mohali uncovered something alarming. Acting on actionable intelligence, they arrested Jasbir for allegedly being part of a terror-based espionage network. The investigation revealed that Jasbir was in touch with a man named Shakir, also known as Jat Randhawa, a Pakistan intelligence operative. And this is where things start to get really serious. Authorities claim that Jasbir not only had communication with Shakir but was also connected to Ehsanur Rahim alias Danish, a former official of the Pakistan High Commission who had already been expelled from India for suspicious activities. Now you may ask, how does a travel YouTuber even end up in such networks? That's exactly what the investigation is trying to uncover. What are the alleged links with Pakistan? According to the Punjab police, Jasbir Singh wasn't just chatting with these individuals online, his actions suggest a much deeper connection. In fact, he had traveled to Pakistan 3 times in 2020, 2021, and again in 2024. He even posted videos of these visits on his channel, showing places like Nankana Sahib and Lahore. The last such video was uploaded in April 2024. Investigators believe Jasbir met Pakistani vloggers and even Pakistani army officials during this visit. One particularly alarming detail: he reportedly attended a Pakistan National Day event in New Delhi, and not on his own, but on the invitation of Danish, the expelled Pakistani official. So, according to police, electronic devices seized from Jasbir contained contacts of multiple Pakistan-based phone numbers. These aren't just coincidences anymore. This is now being treated as an intelligence and espionage case.
सर, आज जसबीर सिंह सन ऑफ मोहन सिंह है जो जान महल वीडियोस के नाम पे यूट्यूब चैनल चलाता है। उसको कल पंजाब पुलिस ने एफआईआर लॉन्च करके उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया। उसके खिलाफ ऑफिशियल सीक्रेट्स एक्ट प्लस सेक्शन 152 एंड 61(2) ऑफ बीएनएस एक्ट के तहत उसके खिलाफ एफआईआर लॉन्च करके उसको अरेस्ट करने के बाद आज पुलिस रिमांड के लिए लेके आए थे। वहां पे जज साहब सामने पेश किया उसको, और जज साहब सामने उन्होंने एप्लीकेशन मूव करके 7 दिन का पुलिस रिमांड मांगा था। हमारी आर्गुमेंट सुनने के बाद और हमारे फैक्ट्स अप्रिशिएट करने के बाद जज साहब ने 7 दिन का पुलिस रिमांड डिक्लाइन करके सिर्फ 3 दिन का पुलिस रिमांड जो है पंजाब पुलिस को दिया। और अब जो नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग जज साहब ने डाली है उसको सैटरडे को 7 जून को दोबारा पेश करने के जो जज साहब ने ऑर्डर किए हैं। सर, सर अभी तक जो एफआईआर लॉन्च की है पुलिस ने, उस एफआईआर के मुताबिक सर जो प्राइमरीली 3 एलिगेशन सर इसके खिलाफ लगाए हैं उन्होंने। पहला एलिगेशन है कि इसको इंटरनेशनल फंडिंग होती थी, दूसरा एलिगेशन है कि इसके आईएसए के साथ लिंक हैं, और तीसरा एलिगेशन ये है कि इसके पास कुछ सेंसिटिव डाटा है जो इन्होंने रिट्रीव करना। सर, तो हमने इसके लिए हमने आर्गुमेंट ये रखी थी जज साहब सामने कि हमें 17 मई 2025 से लगातार एसएसओसी के दोबारा बुलाया जा रहा था हमें सम्मन भेज के।
Now, a very important question. How is Jyoti Malhotra connected to this case? Now, Jasbir Singh isn't the first YouTuber to be arrested under such allegations. Just a few weeks ago, on May 16, a Haryana based YouTuber named Jyoti Malhotra, who ran a channel called Travel with Joe, was arrested under the Official Secrets Act and booked under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. She too was allegedly in contact with the same expelled Pakistani official Danish. And now police say that Jasbir was in regular communication with Jyoti. In fact, after Jyoti arrest, Jasbir reportedly tried to delete all traces of communication between them. That move, authorities says, raised even more red flags. What's happening now? As of now, Jasbir Singh is under police custody and being interrogated. The case has been handed over to the State Special Operations Cell, which handles sensitive matters related to terrorism and national security. Police are currently examining all of Jasbir's digital communication, his YouTube data, travel records, and connections in Pakistan. They are also trying to determine whether he shared any sensitive information or was involved in activities that posed a threat to India's internal security. This is not just about YouTube anymore, it's a national security concern now. Why this case matters? Let's take a step back. In today's world, where YouTubers, influencers, and content creators have free access to massive audiences, the line between content creation and manipulation can get dangerously blurred. What happens when someone with such large public reach uses it, knowingly or unknowingly, to assist foreign agencies? That's the larger question this case raises. And let's not forget, these aren't assumptions. The arrest was made based on specific intelligence inputs. And when agencies take such steps publicly, it usually means there is credible threat perception involved. Now, finally, the arrest of Jasbir Singh, a seemingly harmless travel vlogger, has shaken many, and it serves as a stark reminder of how complex and multi layered national security has become in the digital age. From exploring scenic mountains to allegedly meeting Pakistani army officials, his journey raises many questions, not just about his personal action, but about how intelligence networks may be quietly operating through innocent looking platforms. The investigation is ongoing and more layers could unfold in the coming days. So, as viewers, as digital citizens, it's time we looked a bit more carefully at the kind of content we consume and the motives behind what's being shown to us. Because sometimes even a vlog can be much more than just a vlog. So now, would you have ever guessed that a YouTube travel channel could be under national investigation? What are your thoughts on this espionage case involving digital creators? Let's talk in the comments. So stay aware, stay sharp, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.